Draganfly Incorporated showcased its pioneering integrated tactical strike system during a confidential demonstration held at the Pentagon. This event, organized under the auspices of the U.S. Department of Defense's Low-Cost Uncrewed Combat Attack Systems (LUCAS) initiative, highlighted a breakthrough fusion of Draganfly's Group I Uncrewed Aerial Vehicle (UAV) with the innovative Mjolnir Modular Munition System developed by MMS Products Incorporated. The combined solution targets scalable, autonomous strike missions designed to meet the evolving demands of modern warfare. Senior leaders from the U.S. military and international defense delegations attended, examining the system's potential to enhance battlefield effectiveness through improved lethality, operational flexibility, and survivability. The demonstration underscored the UAV's capability to transition seamlessly from surveillance to precision strike, employing a multi-drop launcher for efficient and accurate deployment of modular munitions. During the exercise, Draganfly's UAV executed simulated combat engagements using the Mjolnir payloads, validating the system's precision and adaptability. These munitions, engineered for anti-personnel, anti-vehicle, and armor-piercing applications, deliver rapid, low-signature strikes suitable for diverse operational environments. This event builds on a 2024 partnership between Draganfly and MMS aimed at co-developing tactical uncrewed strike platforms tailored for joint force requirements. Technically, the Mjolnir Modular Munition System is a lightweight, drone-compatible strike package weighing roughly 2.3 to 2.5 kilograms per round. Each munition integrates an internal guidance stabilizer, programmable electronic fuse, and interchangeable warheads. Current warhead options include high fragmentation for personnel targets, explosively formed penetrators, EFP, for lightly armored vehicles and fortifications, and shaped charges designed for penetrating light to medium armor. The cylindrical munitions are designed for universal integration across multiple drone platforms, detonating on impact or after a program delay for tactical versatility, especially in urban or subterranean operations. The UAV's launcher accommodates up to 4 munitions, releasing them singly or simultaneously to adapt dynamically to mission requirements. From an operational perspective, this combined Draganfly Mjolnir system marks a significant advancement in tactical drone warfare. Its compact design and minimal acoustic and visual footprint make it ideal for reconnaissance and strike tasks within contested or denied areas where manned assets are vulnerable. The system's roles include hunter-killer missions, disruption of enemy supply chains, neutralization of high-value targets, and providing overwatch for special operations. Particularly in hybrid warfare or low-intensity conflicts, the platform enables affordable, scalable precision strikes with minimal logistical burdens or extensive pre-mission planning. The modularity of its munitions allows rapid reconfiguration to counter emerging threats using a single drone type. Strategically, this system challenges legacy doctrines where precision strikes required larger, more costly platforms. By equipping Group I UAVs, traditionally limited to intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR), with strike capabilities, Draganfly opens the door for swarm tactics and coordinated drone groups to overwhelm defenses, target dispersed or mobile forces, and maintain persistent strike presence without risking human pilots. Their affordability and flexibility suit forward-deployed units in austere environments and integration into complex kill chains that prioritize speed and responsiveness. Additionally, semi-autonomous operation and compatibility with command and control networks enhance real-time coordination with ground forces. Draganfly's CEO, Cameron Chell, hailed the Pentagon demonstration as a critical milestone affirming the company's innovative path in tactical drone solutions. He emphasized the system's role in boosting mission readiness, cutting engagement costs, and improving warfighter survivability against advanced adversaries. With the LUCAS program's success, Draganfly aims to lead the next wave of tactical drone technology combining autonomous kinetics, modular firepower, and battlefield adaptability. As global defense forces prioritize flexible, rapidly deployable strike options for complex conflict zones, systems like the Draganfly Mjolnir partnership exemplify a paradigm shift. The Pentagon's focus on attritable plug-and-play drones under LUCAS reflects a strategic move toward deploying large numbers of affordable, precision-guided unmanned platforms, reshaping force structures to be more distributed, survivable, and lethal in future warfare scenarios.